In today's digital age, making money from your passion has become more accessible than ever before. One such passion that many people enjoy is reading books. Imagine earning 40,000 rupees per month by simply reading books for a few hours each day. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. People around the world are successfully earning money through different methods related to reading, reviewing, summarizing, and even narrating books. In this video, we will explore how you can turn your love for books into a sustainable source of income. So, let's dive right into it and explore various ways you can earn money from reading books. The story of Zeeshan, from financial struggles to earning in crores. Zeeshan, a popular YouTuber with over 4 million subscribers, has been an inspiration for many. He shares his journey of how he struggled financially in his early years but eventually turned his passion for reading books into a multi-million rupee income. He managed to build a successful YouTube channel around book reviews, book summaries, and deep dives into various book series, which not only helped him gain immense knowledge but also allowed him to earn a luxurious living. Zeeshan is not the only one in India. Many other creators have followed similar paths, leveraging their love for books to build lucrative YouTube channels, earning crores in the process. However, it's not just about YouTube. The internet offers numerous ways to earn money by reading and sharing books. Whether you are interested in writing reviews, summarizing books, or narrating audiobooks, the opportunities are vast. 1. Book reviewing, a profitable opportunity. One of the most popular ways to earn money through books is by writing reviews. There are several platforms where you can get paid for reviewing books. The process is straightforward: you read a book, write an honest review, and get paid for it. If you enjoy discussing books and sharing your thoughts, this is a great option for you. Online book clubs. One beginner-friendly platform where you can start reviewing books is an online book club. These platforms offer paid reviews where you can earn anywhere between $5 to $60 per review, depending on the book and the quality of your review. In some cases, you may even receive free copies of books to review, giving you the chance to read more while earning money. Kirkus Reviews. For those with more experience, Kirkus is a great option. This platform pays between $50 and $100 for each review, which usually involves writing around 50 words or roughly one page. However, the standards on Kirkus are higher, as most of the books reviewed are written by established authors or publishers. If you honed your review writing skills, this can be a lucrative and challenging platform to earn from. Tasty Reviews. Another platform for book reviews is Tasty, which is slightly different from the others. Here, instead of reviewing books from professional authors, you review books from emerging authors. You can earn tips from your followers, and depending on the impact and quality of your reviews, this can become a great source of income while helping you build a loyal reader base. 2. Book summarizing, a quick and effective way to earn. As life becomes busier, many people prefer reading short summaries or key takeaways from books instead of reading the entire book. This trend has opened up a whole new opportunity for people who are good at summarizing books. If you are skilled at condensing complex ideas into concise formats, book summarizing could be an ideal way for you to earn money. Blinkist. One platform where you can earn money summarizing books is Blinkist. Blinkist offers a 15-minute summary of popular books that highlight the key ideas and takeaways. The platform hires content creators and writers to provide high-quality book summaries, and depending on the complexity and length of the summary, you can earn between $50 to $100 per summary. Instaread. Instaread is another platform similar to Blinkist. However, Instaread focuses more on providing insights and takeaways alongside summaries, which helps readers gain a deeper understanding of the book's content. The pay for each summary can be as high as $100, depending on the length and complexity of the summary. Shortform. Shortform is another platform where you can create detailed book summaries and guides, ranging between 5,000 to 10,000 words. Although the summaries are more in-depth compared to other platforms, The compensation is also higher. You can earn between $100 to $200 per summary, making it an attractive option for skilled summarizers. 3. Create your own book summary channel. If you are someone who loves reading books and sharing insights, starting your own YouTube channel or social media page focused on book summaries can be an excellent way to make money. Many successful YouTubers have built channels around book summaries and reviews, earning substantial income through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. The Swedish Investor, an example to follow. The Swedish Investor is an example of a successful YouTube channel that summarizes books, particularly focusing on personal development, investing, and entrepreneurship. By creating content in an engaging and informative way, they have attracted a large audience and monetized their channel through ads and affiliate links. Animation and voiceover for book summaries. If you are interested in making your book summaries more visually engaging, you can combine narration with animation. By learning basic animation skills, you can animate your book summaries, making them more appealing and engaging for the viewer. Platforms like YouTube support such content, and you can earn money through ads and sponsorships. To learn animation, you can take a course on platforms like Udemy, which will help you create professional 2D animations. After completing such a course, you could charge premium rates for creating 2D animations for clients or even start your own YouTube channel focused on animated book summaries. 4. Audiobook narration, turn your voice into income. If you love books and have a pleasant voice, audiobook narration is another great way to earn money. Audiobooks have gained immense popularity as more people prefer listening to books during commutes, workouts, or household chores. If you have a talent for narration, you can narrate audiobooks and earn money either through freelance platforms or by joining audiobook services. Audible. Audible, a platform owned by Amazon, is one of the most popular platforms for audiobook narration. Authors and publishers can directly connect with narrators to create audiobooks. As a narrator, you can either choose to be paid per finished hour, typically $50 to $200 per hour, or through a royalty sharing model, where you earn a percentage of audiobook sales. Findaway Voices. Findaway Voices is another platform where you can find audiobook narration projects. This platform connects authors and publishers with professional narrators, and you can choose between different types of projects. If you enjoy narration and want to build a long-term career in this field, Findaway Voices is a great option. 5. Social media book recommendations and affiliate marketing. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook are great places to share your love for books and earn money. Many successful book influencers regularly post book reviews, recommendations, and affiliate links to earn money. You can start by creating a dedicated book review page on Instagram, where you share your thoughts on books, post recommendations, and engage with fellow book lovers. Additionally, you can use affiliate marketing to earn commissions by recommending books through links. Platforms like Amazon Associates or other affiliate programs allow you to earn a commission whenever someone buys a book through your affiliate link, turning your love for books into a profitable venture. There are numerous ways to earn money from your passion for books. Whether it's writing reviews, creating summaries, narrating audiobooks, or sharing book recommendations on social media, the opportunities are vast and diverse. With dedication and consistent effort, you can turn your love for books into a profitable business, earning a decent income while doing something you truly enjoy. The key is to start small, build your skills, and gradually scale your efforts. Just like Zishan, you too can turn your passion into a full-fledged career. So, pick up that book and start your journey toward earning money from what you love.